Welcome to IXL Rocks. Mr. Nate here. Today's lesson is IXL Math 8.Y.12. Solve equations with variables on both sides. Once we're done here, we can get an IXL group jam ready. Make sure everybody's on the same page. Let's get started. Solve for y. We have negative 2y plus 6 equals negative y. Our first step is to add 2y to both sides. Negative 2y plus positive 2y is a zero pair, which equals 0. This leaves the constant 6 by itself on the left side of the equation, and it leaves y by itself on the right. 6 equals y is the same as y equals 6. That's our solution. Great job. Thanks, IXL. Let's move up a level and solve for k. On the left side, we have two 6k terms that we can combine to make 12k. But we have a positive 5k on the right side that we need to move over to the left. So if we subtract 5k from the right side, we must subtract 5k from the left. On the right side, 5k and negative 5k are a zero pair and cancel each other. Now on the left side, we subtract 5k from 12k to get 7k. At this point, we have 7k minus 4 equals negative 4. This is a two-step equation like we covered in a previous lesson. In step 3, we isolate 7k by adding 4 to both sides. Now we have 7k equals 0, so k has to be 0. I love it when IXL calls me brilliant. Thanks, IXL. In our final problem, we'll solve for v. We have negative 1 plus 10v plus 3 equals negative 5 plus 9v. Our first step is to combine like terms. We have two constants to begin with on the left side, a negative 1 and a positive 3. So these constants combine to be 2. In step 2, we'll move the variable terms to the same side of the equation. In this example, we move the variable terms to the left side, so we subtract 9v. As always, what you do to one side, you do to the other, so we subtract 9v from 10v on the left. This leaves us with v plus 2 equals negative 5. Our last step, we move constant terms to the same side, subtract 2 from both sides, and v equals 7. Great job. Thanks, IXL. We'll see you on the next lesson. This is Mr. Nate, signing out.